Hello everyone, my name is Pragati Chaparasar. I am from Hooghly Mohsin College and I am legal intern of Lexis company. My topic is consent. Consent is defined under section 13 of Indian Contract Act. Consent means when the parties agree upon the same thing and the same sense. That means he want to sell his house which is situated in the Hyderabad and he has three house in three different places. We want to purchase the house which is situated in Delhi. So here the points, there is no any same thing in the same sense. So here the contract is not valid. There are many parts like free consent. If any party enter into the contract willingly, so must be voluntarily. Free consent required. So free consent is defined under section 14 of Indian Contract Act 1872. Free consent means the consent which is not occurred by the undue influence, misrepresentation, coercion, mistake, fraud, etc. So what is coercion? Coercion is defined under section 15 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. Coercion means when any party threaten to another party to enter into the contract by forcefully, not a voluntarily, then it is called the coercion. Means committing, threatening to do any act which is forbidden by the law under Indian Penal Code, or to force any person to do any act, and to threaten which is related to property, relationship, etc. Then it is called the coercion. A put the gun on the bee's head and forcefully enter into the contract and yeah, and sell his car on rupees 50,000. Then it is done by the coercion and this contract is not valid. Number two is undue influence, which is defined under section 60 of the Indian Contract Act. So what is undue influence? Undue influence means when a relation between the two parties are such that one party is in a position to dominate the other party and uses such influence to obtain unfair advantage of the other party, then it is called the undue influence. Undue influence means, for example, A gives a promise that he promises to be that he gives the good marks in exam if he sell his watch in rupees 500. Here the position is used to dominate the other party, then it is called the undue influence. Then what is fraud? Fraud is defined under section 17 of the Indian Contract Act. Fraud means deceit by one parties. When one of the party deliberately makes a false statement, so the misrepresentation is done with the full knowledge that is not true, or recklessly without the checking for trueness, this is said to be the fraudulent. And what is misrepresentation? Misrepresentation means when the one party makes a representation that is false, incorrect, inaccurate, then it is called the misrepresentation. The difference here, misrepresentation is innocent and that is not intentional. So it comes under section 18 of the Indian Contract Act. And what is the mistake? Mistake can be done by unilateral, bilateral. When the mistake is done by one side of party, then it is called unilateral. When the mistake is done by both the party, then it is called the bilateral mistake. So it is all about the consent, free consent, coercion, misrepresentation, undue influence, fraud, etc. Thank you.